Glim. Starting procedure.
Starting procedure. After 316 inspection, sakay sa cockpit, adjust yung puan. Parking brake, set and free. Tapos, second, check kung lahat naka-off. Okay, radio. Okay. Off. Starting procedure, battery on, flaps up. Tapos, electric fuel pump on. Mixture, full reach. Throttle, pump 3 times, set 1/4. Okay. Pause, starting engine. Hawak ang throttle. Start, push mo. Start, balik sa bot. Set mo 1200.
Magkano mabilis?
Sorry sir. Set 1200. Pause. Pati yung electric fuel pump off. Alternator open.
Sige, continue.
Electric fuel pump off, alternator open. Tapos check mo yung mga lights. Okay, beacon. Saan ba tayo sir? Nakalimutan ko na po kap.
Ano ba yan?
Sorry po sir.
Sige, ayos na lang yan. Hanggang dito muna tayo ha.
Yes sir.
Sige. Ano? Ilan ba yung fuel natin?
Nasa 80 po.
80 ba?
Clear prop.
Clear prop!
Clear.